OMG, this is what I'm talking about. When you walk into the store and they have it all ready in the baskets for you to just go. This is what I'm talking about. OMG, this is what I'm talking about. When you walk into the store and they have it all ready in the baskets for you to just go. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, so we have hit the jackpot because I see the Downy, I see the Tide, I see the Bleach, I see the Gain, I see it all. So get your phones ready so you can take some screenshots, get your inserts out so you can get coupons, and let's get ready to go through all of this. So I'm going to give you guys a heads up. You see that Tide? That Tide in the clear bottle only works with the $2 Tide coupon. The dollar coupon does not work on that. It only works with the $2 coupon. So guys, let's get ready to tear Rite up. I'm going to go to the car when I'm finished and show you all the UPCs of everything that I got. And any new stuff that I got, any of the old stuff, I'm just going to connect the old clearance video to this, and then you can click on that. So let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so I am back in the car. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I got. Let me turn the camera. You guys can see my trunk is loaded again, along with my front seat. Like, this is crazy. Like, I'm going to be carrying stuff in for like another hour or so. So I found some new stuff that I hadn't had before, but luckily the manager had put everything in one cart in the one store, so I didn't have to do too much digging and things. So I'm going to start with these Downy beads again, the Downy Defy Damage beads, because a lot of people have been messaging me and emailing me about these. So I just want to go over it again. So I've only seen the blue package and the white package at Rite. Now, there is like a pink, white, and blue scent, but I've seen that at Target and Walmart and things, but I've never seen it at Rite. So I'm not sure if Rite even carries that one. But if you see it, go ahead and have them price check it, because most likely it's going to be 75% off. But I couldn't dig through the bags to find the white one, but this one and the white one are both at Rite, and both of them are 75% off. They come down to $3.24, and then just use the $2 Downy coupon and you'll pay $1.24. And I'm going to give you the UPC. So that's the UPC for the blue one. I will connect my other clearance video so that you can get all the UPCs for all the detergents and all of that. But I just wanted to start off with that because I've been getting so many questions for that, and I just want to make sure that no one is confused. So I finally found some of the napkins that were on clearance. So it is the Emerald Farm to Tissue brand. So this is like a high-end recyclable napkin, and these are the dinner napkins, and they are white. I don't know if you could tell, because I know some people was like, well, I don't want to get the brown napkins. Look, I'm getting brown, white. I will get them if they were orange at this price. It doesn't matter. They're easy to resell, or you could just use them for yourself, or you could use them for cleaning. You don't necessarily have to use them to serve food. So they were regularly $5.99, and of course they're 75% off, so they rang $1.39. Now let me give you the UPC for that. Okay, so these are the dinner napkins. Okay, now they also have the lunch napkins. And I'm grabbing them. I don't want to rip the package. So they also have these, which are the lunch napkins. The dinner napkins, let me see. The dinner napkins is 150 count, whereas the lunch napkins are 500. And yes, those are like tannish brown. These aren't white like the dinner napkins. Okay, but it's still a excellent price. So these were regularly $7.19, and they come down to $1.79. Now let me show you guys my receipt, because I want you to know that I really got these for that. Alrighty, see, there's the lunch napkins, regularly $7.19, come down to $1.79. And then the dinner napkins were regularly $5.59, and those come down to $1.39. Let me give you the UPC for the lunch napkins. As soon as I turn it around here. My car is a mess, guys, with all this stuff in it. I gotta get this out of here because I can't even move. All right. Wait a minute. Straighten it out for you. Okay, there's the UPC for that. Now let's go over the bleach again. So the first time that I was out getting clearance, I could only find these, the small bleaches, which are 16 fluid ounce. And let me give you the UPC. Here's the UPC for that. These are ringing up 77 cents. It is the Big Win, which is the Rite brand bleach. But today, I finally found the big ones that people have been getting. And guess what? The big ones are ringing up cheaper than the smaller ones. Oh my God, I wish I could find more of these. And it's the low splash, and it has a metal scent. So it doesn't smell like all that bleachy smell like. And these are 43 fluid ounces. Guys, these are ringing up, hold on, I think, let me get my receipt. I think it's 67 cents. Let me show you. So there's the 77 cents is the small ones, the 16 ounce. And then there's the 43 ounce. Those are ringing up 67 cents, regularly $2.69. So if you can find the big ones, definitely get the big ones because they're only 67 cents. Now, don't get them mixed up because they also have one that is 43 fluid ounce. It's not this pink label. It's the blue and white label. That one is regular price. You need to find the pink label. The pink ones are the ones that are 75% off. And let me get this UPC for you. Okay. So make sure you get the big ones, the 43 ounce, but it is the pink ones, not the blue and white ones. And of course, I found more Gain and more Tide, but there's no sense in me going over that with you because we've already gone over that. So here is an item that I found. It is the Niagara Premium Smooth Finish Ironing Spray Pro Guard. Now, I don't iron anymore. And I don't know if people do still iron. I don't know. But I got it because it's a good price. Someone will get it. Or I can use it to do my drapes or something. But it's 75% off. So it was regularly $4.99. And let me get my receipt out because one second. Okay, found it. So here the Niagara Premium is $1.24. Okay, and let me give you the UPC. Okay. So that's all that I have for today. I hope you guys are able to find something in your store. Remember, if it isn't in your store, just keep checking week after week because they're going to get rid of it as long as it's in the warehouse. Keep on saving.